We will now be reading Science Grade 6, Unit 3, Elements, 2014-2015. Question number 1. Which of the following is the symbol for chlorine? Is it A, CH? Is it B, C? Is it C, Cl? Or D, Ce? Number 2. Which of the following statements are characteristics of an element? Is it 1, made from a mixture, 2, a pure substance, 3, represented by a symbol, 4, make up matter on Earth? Question answers are F, 1 and 3, G, 1 and 4, H, 2 and 4, or J, 2, 3, and 4. Remember, you may pause the video at any time. Question number 3. The chemical symbol for nitrogen is A, Na, B, Ni, C, Ne, or D, N. We're looking at a triple Venn diagram: living matter, oceans, atmosphere, and this one is carbon, phosphorus, sulfur, hydrogen separates the two, oxygen in the middle, nitrogen here, and again atmosphere down here. Which pair of terms has the same relationship as the following? Nitrogen and atmosphere. So we're looking at nitrogen and atmosphere. Is it sodium and living matter? Is it carbon and oceans? Is it hydrogen, oceans? Or is it chlorine, living matter?
Madam Poe, please come to the office.
Question number 5. The chemical symbol Ca represents, is it A, chlorine, B, cesium, C, carbon, or D, calcium? Question number 6. Abundance of elements in the Earth's crust. The elements on the left side, a chart registering the percentage on the right side. We've got oxygen, silicon, aluminum, iron, calcium, sodium, potassium, and magnesium. Which graph below best represents the most abundant elements in the Earth's crust? Which graph below best represents the most abundant elements in the Earth's crust? Pick the graph F, G, H, or J that most closely represents this chart. Number 7. Which of the following is not an element? Is it A, helium, B, nitrogen, C, water, or D, sodium? Have another triple Venn diagram. Has living matter, oceans, and atmosphere. Has carbon, phosphorus, sulfur, hydrogen, sodium, chlorine, oxygen, nitrogen. Question is, which element is found in the ocean and the atmosphere? Is it sodium? Is it nitrogen? Is it hydrogen? Is it oxygen? Remember, you can pause at any time. The melting and boiling points of selected elements. The element is chlorine, bromine, iodine, and astatine. Melting points -101, -7, 113.5, and 302. The boiling points are -34, 58.9, 184, 337. What is the valid conclusion based on the melting and boiling point table? Is it A, the boiling points increase in a predictable pattern? B, the melting points decrease as you move down the table? C, there are no patterns of data in the table? D, the melting points increase as you move down the table? Number 10, which of the following elements is an element? Is it F, CO2? Is it G, NaS? Is it H, big C, little o? Is it J, KF? Number 11, which of these models best represents the element neon as a gas? Is it Model D, Model C, Model B, or Model A? Look carefully at each jar. Remember, you can pause at any time or go back if you need to and reread. Triple Venn diagram again, living matter, oceans, atmosphere. We got carbon, phosphorus, sulfur, nitrogen, hydrogen, oxygen, sodium, and chlorine. Carbon is to living matter what blank is to atmosphere. Is it sodium, G, hydrogen, H, chlorine, or J, N? What percentage of the Earth's crust is made up of calcium and sodium combined? Is it A, 7, B, 2, C, 5, or D, 28? Which pie chart most accurately reflects the information in the table? We've got oxygen, hydrogen, chlorine, sodium. Choose F, G, H, or J. Which thermometer shows the boiling point of bromine? We've got chlorine, bromine, iodine, and astatine. Which thermometer shows the boiling point of bromine? Is it A, B, C, or D? Number 16. Several students are conducting a laboratory investigation as they run out a mystery element they are testing. And they run out of a mystery element they are testing. The teacher is currently helping a different group. The students observe that the supply room door is open. How should the students resolve the situation? F. The students should enter the supply room and get some more of the mystery element. They should not tell the teacher. G. The students should enter the supply room and get some more of the mystery element. They should tell the teacher afterwards. H. The students should borrow another lab's group's mystery element then tell the teacher. J. One student in the group should raise his or her hand and wait for the teacher to help the group. Use the following data table to answer the question. According to the table above, most mass of living organisms is made up of which two elements? Is it hydrogen and oxygen, oxygen and nitrogen, nitrogen and others, or oxygen and carbon? Number 18, the chemical formula for baking soda, a common household chemical, is NaHCO3. How many elements are in this compound? Record your answer and fill in the bubbles on your answer document. Be sure to use the correct place value. Number 19, agree or disagree with the following statement and justify your choice. All matter is made from elements, and elements are pure substances. Remember, you can pause at any time. And finally, question number 20, there is a lot of oxygen in the Earth's crust. Explain why we cannot breathe it.